thing that will help our people there. The thing that will help our soldiers. So we will working hard, organizing events, collect information, find medical supplies, and everything that will help us to make our soldiers good warm and fed and carry on. Every penny that we collect is spent in a medical supply.
They don't care if it's women or children. They invade it. They're killing and they will kill.
And they're raping the woman as well.
Yes.
It's not only killing.
Yes, they are absolutely awful. I think it's Germans probably same or maybe even less. So Russia army don't behave like they're saving us. They behave like they come to kill and destroy whatever they could. They don't care about anything. I heard the stories like they come to the town and they destroy all the internet, heating systems, so people who live in the town who try to hide, they will have no heat, no water, nothing. They come to the shop and they go over with a tank to destroy all the food they couldn't take with them.
So, ladies and gentlemen, diolch yn fawr iawn I chi am eich cefnogaeth heno. Mae wedi bod rhywbeth special iawn. So, diolch o galon a wneud beth chi'n gallu wneud I helpu ein ffrindiau yn Ukraine. Diolch yn fawr iawn I chi am ddod, ond aros a cario ymlaen yn tyfu bach o smeis. Diolch yn fawr iawn.